Today Marcus and I are going to be looking at this roadside rescue bag. So this is basically a bag that has everything you need just in case you have a problem out on the road. Like let's say your battery goes flat and you can't start your car. This will help you. Or let's say you have other emergencies like you hurt yourself and you need first aid kit. This will help you. All right, Marcus, let's open this thing up one by one and we'll see what's inside. Looks like the first thing is a first aid kit. You know, your basic essentials for patching yourself up. So we have a bunch of band-aids, pads, pretty big pads. They even give you scissors, alcohol wipes, soap wipes, prep wipes. Looks like straps of some sort to hold up your hands. A couple of those. A bunch of bandages, wrap around kind. Disposable gloves, and even this thing if you need to pull something out of your body, and pins here and some tape. So basically pretty good essential things. So you get quite a bit of stuff just here in the first aid kit. Okay, Marcus, let's move this to the side. Okay, let's go to the next thing. What do you see in there?
I see gloves.
All right, so we got some gloves here. You know, if you need to like change a tire or something. Let's go to the big stuff here. Check this out, dude. What is this? Do you know?
It's for your engine.
Yes, it's actually for your battery.
Yeah.
If your battery dies, you got jumper cables, guys. So this roadside rescue includes jumper cables, and that could be very important if you can't start your car. All right, so this is some kind of blanket, emergency blanket. It has a reflective surface and it retains body heat. Space age design. Interesting. So some kind of really tiny blanket that can keep you warm if you're stranded and you're, you know, in the cold. All right, so Marcus pulled out some wait, what is this? Bungee cords. So you get a couple bungee cords just in case you need to strap something down somewhere. Or let's say your trunk doesn't close or your hood doesn't close for some reason or something doesn't close. Strap that down. And these definitely feel good quality. It's really heavy. Ooh. All right, so we get a poncho. So just in case it's raining and you don't want to get super wet, you got yourself a nice poncho to put over your body.
What's poncho?
It's like a bag that you wear on yourself so you don't get wet.
Oh, okay. Let me pull something out. Whoa.
All right, so here we have, you know what this is?
No.
It's a triangle. So whenever you break down, let's say you're changing your tire and you're on the freeway, you pull out a triangle like this. And the reason for that is because the triangle is seen from far away because it's very bright. So you can put a triangle letting people know that you are working on stuff and you got trouble, and so people will slow down when they see a triangle. Plus at night this thing reflects really good and it'll give you more safety at night. So yeah, very cool that you get a triangle.
Okay, I pulled out two things.
This is something that you might want to put inside the car where you're at, because this is a window smasher / seatbelt cutter right here. So it's a hammer that, let's say if you're stuck in your car and your windows don't work, let's say you flipped over your car or something and there's no way to get out, this hammer will break the window. It's actually pretty heavy. This is for the seatbelt. If your seatbelt won't unbuckle, you can cut yourself out. So, all right, so here's something kind of unexpected. This is a fire starter tool with some teeth on it that you rub against and it'll throw sparks out, which, you know, you can start a fire. So if you're somewhere, you know, lost and you need to make a fire for some reason, this is it.
Max?
Oh, it's a multi-purpose knife.
Oh, wait, you had that.
I do have a knife already. Wow, guys, check it out. It actually comes with a multi-purpose knife. So you get a Phillips screwdriver, some kind of pickers, and a bottle opener. Just basically a typical multi-purpose knife. Man, but that's really cool that it came with a knife. Electrical tape, just in case you need to tape some stuff up. So this is very useful. Could be. All right, so it also comes with a tire pressure gauge. So this is definitely important if you want to check the pressure of your tire, because a lot of gas stations won't even have the pressure tester. You know, you can pump up your tire, but you don't know how much you pumped it. So that's cool that they include that. And we have some zip ties to zip things up, just in case they're coming off. And we also got a whistle. I'm guessing you're gonna want a whistle.
I don't know what that's for.
You don't know what a whistle is?
No, I do, but I don't know why it's in here.
It's just in case you're like stranded somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
And
so
you
we
want to,
can-
yeah, if you want to get somebody's attention, you can whistle really loud. All right, guys, it looks like last but not least, and this could be very important, is a tow hook strap. So it's a pretty tough looking strap with 2 hooks on it that, let's say if you ran your car in the ditch or whatever, or you just got it stuck because you ran off the road, you know, if it was muddy and you got stuck, you got something to pull you out. Somebody can help you to pull you out. Anyways, that's pretty cool. So, and that looks like that is it for this rescue bag. All right, guys, and the one thing that we did not mention yet is that the rescue bag actually has a reflective tape here. So if you put the rescue bag even near your vehicle, that should help, you know, bring attention that you're there. So it looks like a very highly reflective tape. All right, guys, so and this is the whole kit here. So definitely something that you would want to have in your car. You know, you're going on a long trip, or, you know, you just want a peace of mind. Or even if somebody else needs help, you know, you have this bag in your trunk, you can just pull out and, you know, be able to assist somebody pretty immediately with what you have here. So, you know, even if you're not the one in trouble and you want to help out, you know, even if you want to get somebody out of the car, you can grab this hammer and break the window and stuff like that. So you got some good stuff here that makes a lot of sense for a roadside rescue kit.